grassroots. And so if we could be able to talk to the highest official of our nation, they could be able to implement stronger regulations and stricter policy only so that we could be able to gain the justice that we Filipinos deserve. That would be all I think.
Why, thank you so much.
Binawi mo sa huli. Okay, that's our ninth candidate. Next up, candidate number 10. Congratulations pala kay Nancy Ian ulit. Nakakaingit yung from Miss Universe. Hi! Okay, please open. Who's your judge? Ganda ng crown, Ian. Margaret with double T. Aprecio. Na Margaret Aprecio.
Hi, candidate number 10, how are you?
I'm fine. A little bit nervous, but amazing.
That's good to hear. Here's your question. How can social media be used responsibly to raise awareness about corruption without spreading misinformation? Again, how can social media be used responsibly to raise awareness about corruption without spreading misinformation?
Thank you for the wonderful question. I believe that social media have a two factors, and that is a good and a bad side. Being a good side of social media, if you use social media to connect to our loved ones and to inspire to other people. And the bad side about the social media, if we use social media to destroy our lives or para magkalat ng mga negatibo at nakakasama sa atin. We should always remember that we are also words back that think before you create.
Thank you so much, candidate number 10. That was awesome. Okay, wrapping up the question and answer round, let's have the last but not the least, candidate number 11. Okay, most of the questions are very current events. I think this candidate is truly, you have no choice now, okay, do the honor now to Pete.
You pick Judge Ace de Chavez.
Good morning, candidate number 11. My question is, do you think everyone deserves a second chance in life, no matter what they have done? Again, do you think everyone deserves a second chance in life, no matter what they have done?
Thank you. That was a really interesting question. As a human being, it is inevitable for us to make imperfections. We are bounded with flaws and imperfections. And so, I firmly believe that everyone deserves second chances because second chances would lead them to become even more better, to correct for what the mistake that they've done from their previous life. Because I firmly believe, Malaya people, that if God can give us a chances, then who we are to not give it to someone who truly deserves it. Always remember, ladies and gentlemen, that we should always be vigilant and always want to give chances for some other people. Because there are so many people who are desperately or turn themselves to become desperately just to be someone because they're really blinded by what they call love. And so I want to encourage everyone that if someone did something bad to you, give them second chances. For you know to yourself that if they are truly deserving. But personally, as I said, if God gives chances, let's give it to other people and let's prosper the love that God gave to us. Thank you and good evening.
Right, that's our last debate number 11.
Sweet, but very powerful. Okay, thank you so much. That concludes, ladies and gentlemen, our 11 candidates in the preliminary question and answer round. Right after next year, now,
Yes.
we will be announcing some special and corporate or minor awards after this. So we just need congratulations na pala sa ating staff ng GBL. Maraming salamat. Ang sarap ng ano yun? Adobo na may tomato sauce. Ano tawag doon?
Kagaling kayo kayo na.
Uy, ang sarap. Di nyo ako binigyan. Sabi ko, sabay. As sponsors muna. Na? Sponsors.
So, at this time, we're getting to our top five, and here the audience all watch these to our sponsors tonight.
And we will be back.
Sponsorship is about putting your name and reputation on the line for someone else. Ian Collect would like to thank the following sponsors for making this event a success. The Coronation Night and giving of special awards, being the 2025. Gratitude to the major sponsors. For our grand prize sponsors, Jan, Princess Kim, Dennis, Marga and Jeffok, first runner-up sponsors. Naomi, second runner-up sponsor. Andrea and Fernand, third runner-up sponsors. Ava, fourth runner-up sponsor. Marga for sponsoring first to fourth runner-ups, John Peters and Canada Crowns. Rolly for sponsoring the best in evening gown. Drew for sponsoring the best in swimsuit. Jameson for sponsoring best in Pasabog. Big thanks also to our writer sponsors. Guru, Ike, Perry, Kisses, Carlo, Amore, Alanis, Gab, Jeff, Ash, Neil, Paula, Cece, Sophie, Jairus, Dennis, Manuel, Emma Chua, Mike Escobar, and Gia-Man. Thank you for your generous support. Making the Waking Manaya 2025 a Comanche's coronation event.
Once again, we have it, ladies and gentlemen, our sponsors. And after a couple of minutes, we're heading to announce our minor awards. thank you so much for the Ian College Angels and for having me here tonight. Ma'am Ian, maraming salamat.
Yes, Mia, of course, we have, or we will be waiting for the minor special award. Candidates 1 to 11, we would like to request you to mount on the stage. This time for the awarding of the minor special awards and the corporate awards. And at the same time, of course, we will be announcing right away our top 5 semi-finalists. And we're very close there. How about you, Nina? Kumusta? Pawis na sa pagbibihis. I love you, Nina. Okay. Sa ating 1,400 audience na nandito ngayon sa loob, sino sa palagay nyo mananalo ngayong gabi? Anong number? John, Nina.
How was her? Number 2 daw.
Sa upper box, sino?
Wow.
Basta kayo dyan. Anong number? Okay. May number sila dito sa lower box. Hi! Hello. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat sa GB